If you are a huge fan of Crafter Square at Dollar Tree, then you're going to love today's haul. It is everything Crafter Square. I'm Jamie, the crafty DIY guy. Welcome back to my channel. There are so many Crafter Square things that are coming into Dollar Tree stores right now. It is overwhelming how adorable some of the stuff is. And my bins back there are getting full. In fact, I took all the tags off of them because I'm going to have to reorganize them very, very soon because I got to put my stuff away. I have to put my haul stuff away. Check these out. Look at that little piggy. Look at this cow. I believe they are chalkboard. They feel like they would be chalkboard. And I'm sure you could use like a chalk marker or even regular chalk on them, for instance. But you guys know that I love wood grain, especially with black. I love that industrial kind of farmhouse modern kind of look. And these are amazing. I saw these and was obsessed. Now, the other thing that I saw that I was obsessed with, and I haven't seen this before, I've seen the beaded wreaths, but I've not seen them in black. Have you guys seen these yet in the black? This one's a little wonky. She's been bent up a little bit, but I can reshape it for sure. How beautiful is that? Look how gorgeous those black beads are. They're like a shiny gloss. This was the only one that I found in my store. I have the regular plain, you know, unfinished wood bead ones, but I've never seen the black before. So this was something that I was like, heck yeah. And you could wear it as a little necklace if you want to. I'm not going to do that though. But ooh, got my hat on today. I've been out in the yard painting and working on some DIY, so that's why I look rather manly today. The other things that I grabbed while I was at Dollar Tree in the Crafters Square section, let me grab all of these. I'm not very organized right now because it's all Crafter Square. But they just have these blanks. They have these fantastic blanks. If you are doing, you know, signs, if you have a Cricut, if you have stickers, like literally they have all these great blanks. So they have this one that's kind of a whitewashed wood. They have this one, which is kind of just a plain wood tone. And then they do have a black one as well. And what I thought was so great about these is, again, if you have a Cricut, if you have stickers, if you can hand paint, if you can use stencils, you can create a lot of really fun signs with these. And these are good weight. These are like a heavy kind of MDF, and they will stand up by themselves because they're pretty thick, as you can see. And I was really impressed. I even thought that maybe if you wanted to, if you flipped them over and used kind of the plain side on the top, you could do that stack of books thing. There's so many fun things that you can do with these, and I thought that they were super, super, super cute. Now, another thing that I grabbed that was kind of in the Crafter Square section, I was surprised, but so fun. I guess they're technically blanks. They're like nautical. You could certainly personalize these and make some really fun. I think these are so cute for the bathroom. If my bathroom had actual wall space to be able to hang different stuff, I would totally have a nautical bathroom. I don't know if I'd have it for my main bathroom, but I'd definitely have it for like a guest bath or something like that. And so cute. I loved these. Even just hanging them on the wall as is could be super, super cute. But if you put something like, you know, life is a beach or something like that with your Cricut or stencils or anything, freehand paint. I'm not a real good freehand painter, but you could totally do these and use those. So cute. I found more of these self-adhesive stencils. And speaking of these great signs, they've got these lines. You could totally do something like that if you wanted to on these. I thought this one was really, really cute. I loved kind of this fleur-de-lis pattern here. I loved all these patterns. And then I thought these were super, super cute because you could totally use these, especially if you wanted to do like something like the fish, maybe do the anchor on top of it. That could be really, really cute. Or that life preserver ring. So many cute things. And what's so great about these is that they are self-adhesive. Now, I bought some different self-adhesive stickers or stencils from Dollar Tree. I have not tried them yet. So if you've tried them, and let me know how they work. I'm really, really curious to use them and to see how they're going to hold up. Another great blank from Crafter Square, these kind of signs, but they're easel backed. Aren't those super, super cute? I wish that, and maybe there's going to be some out there, but I wish that there were some that were this way as well. I've only seen these as of right now at my store. And I have to say too, I want to give you guys a tip. I went to a Dollar Tree that I typically do not go to. This is where I found all of this Crafter Square stuff. It was crazy. And I don't know, it's a smaller store. I don't know if that's had something to do with it. The lady at the store told me that they were getting ready to expand their Crafter Square section, that they were going to have almost an entire wall of nothing but Crafter Square sections. Crafters Square stuff. I can't talk, but I thought that was really exciting. Beads, I've been holding off buying these. I don't know why. They're my favorite colors. Blue, this kind of teal. Definitely super, super cute for this kind of vibe, this nautical vibe. I bought 2 packages of these. I've had every other color. I don't know why I haven't bought the blue yet. Maybe I bought like 1 bag of blue. Again, I got to organize back there to find out for sure, but we'll see. There are some really fun blanks right now that are popping up in the stores. This little beaded tag with the black kind of chalkboard. It's got a plain side on this side, and then they have some that kind of are a wood tone. Again, super, super cute. You've got the plain side. I think there's also some floating out there in white. You could kind of twine these together or tie these together and make some really cute tags. I think that these are really cute ornaments. So fun. About 1 in each color of those. This was super cute. I had not seen this before. Is this the only one? It is. Look at this little house. It's a little house. It's got a chimney and a chalkboard and everything. It is thick like those first signs that I showed you. So this will stand up by itself. Chalkboard, you could write notes on it. You could put this on a nightstand and leave yourself little reminders. You could put it in the kitchen, do a little tiny honey-do list on there. You could do a lot of really fun things on there. And again, the weight of it was fantastic. I guess if you really wanted to, you could pop this frame off of here and do something else on there, but even the chimney is chalkboard. So how cute is that? These are also really fun. Lots of beaded kind of signs. And how cute are those? Like, love that rectangle. Love the beads on the top. I do wish that there were, I'm going to be a little greedy, but I wish that there were more beads. I wish that the beads would, you know, fill up the entire piece of twine. But I guess you could definitely tighten it because it's just a staple on the back. So if you wanted to tighten it up or add more beads, you certainly could. But the octagon shape, the rectangle shape, super, super cute. Again, love the beaded accent and think that they are super, super, super cute. I picked up some canvases while I'm there because I'm working on some art projects and just wanted to kind of practice. So those are there. You guys have seen those before. This is a different kind of looking burlappy bag. Typically they've had the one that's kind of longer rectangle this way. This one's a little wider this way, and I haven't seen this one before at my store. It's a good size, actually. I was thinking that I wish I would have had this when I was going to classes because that would have been perfect for like a little lunch bag. And this is not burlap, it's kind of a plastic. So be careful when you try to do any kind of an iron-on or anything on here because they will melt. I've melted one before. And by the way, too, I have finished classes and now I'm just studying a whole lot before I take the final. Another metal sign, this is a cow. I found the chicken and I found the pig in a previous haul a while ago, but I hadn't seen the cow yet. So I grabbed the cow. When I had my very first apartment, I had nothing but cow decor in my kitchen. I had everything cow. My mom went nuts and got me all kinds of cow stuff. So I thought that was just fun. These were in the Crafter Square section, but these are Easter. So they have the Crafter Square logo on them, but how cute are these little mini carrots? You could do all kinds of fun DIYs with them. I think you could add them to a sign, maybe the house sign, maybe like make a little carrot patch. There's all kinds of fun things you could do with them. And then these also have the Crafter Square logo on them. They are Easter little feet. They look like little bunny butts with the feet, and you can see the little cotton ball tail. They have pink and they have light blue, so I grabbed one of each. I thought that they could make a fun garland or something. These were also in the Crafter Square section. Now, you've seen the little pom-pom trims before, but this is a different kind of a trim. This is a 3-pack. So now you're getting the pom-pom trim, plus you're getting a couple other embellishments. This one looks like little tiny carrots. How cute is that one? And then that's just kind of a zigzaggy trim. I would take them out of here, but I don't want them to fall apart. So how cute is that? That would be so cute for a wreath. This was also Crafter Square tagged. This is a table runner. And it looks like little bunnies. You can kind of see, like here. See the bunny? Do you see the bunny? How cute is that? The bunny is connected to the other bunny's ears. But I thought that this could be fun to use in a DIY. So that's why I grabbed it. And see, Crafter Square. Don't be accusing me of showing you stuff that's not Crafter Square. Now, these were not branded Crafter Square, but they've moved basically everything that kind of has like an adhesive or something to the Crafter Square area. They're kind of these embellishment stickers, these kind of, what are they, like diamond wrap. I love that they are kind of patriotic, and I was thinking ahead of schedule, I guess, and thinking about 4th of July DIYs and patriotic stuff for the summer. So I grabbed those while I was there too. And then there are a couple quick things. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. Look at this. These are a couple things that are not Crafter Square, but they're just too adorable to pass up. And these are Easter things. But look at this little Easter basket. Oh my God, he needs a little haircut. It's got some hair on it. It's probably Otis's hair. But look how cute that little truck is. It's like a little truck Easter basket. It's like felt. It's pretty good size, actually. And there's only one truck window here, so you hold it by that. How cute is that, though? That would be super, super cute to have for a little girl or a little boy. I think there were some blue ones as well. These, again, not Crafter Square, but some new Easter stuff. Too cute to pass up. Look at these bunny ice cube trays. And you get 2 of them, too. There's 2 of them in a pack, which I thought was great. And they're silicone, so you could use them. They're branded ice cube trays. You could do little glue gun animals in here. You know, squirt your glue gun in there and then kind of have the mold. I think you could, I don't know if you could bake with these or not, but you could probably certainly do Jello or something like that. Super, super cute. Look at the other side and see how adorable. And look, just notice this. There's like a girl that's got the little flower, and then there's a little boy with the bow tie. Oh my God, those are adorable. I'm gonna make cocktails, like an Easter bunny cocktail, and do these ice cubes in there. How cute is that? This is cute. I always love grabbing these little cutting board signs. Thought that that was really cute and just something I had to grab. This is something that I've not seen before either. This was really, really cute. This is a 2-piece. It's a little bag, and it's got a carrot. It looks like a carrot, and it's got this kind of gingham top to it, which you can kind of see there. How cute is that little drawstring bag? If you wanted to do like little gifts or something for your neighbors and just kind of drop them off on their front porch with some little treats in there. Super, super cute. Do like a little mystery bunny. And then, you know that there's always the Easter eggs and the different things that they have. Well, these look like Lego blocks. How cute are those? How cute are those? And they will hook together. I played around with it in the store, and they will hook together. So you could make actually DIYs or something with these, and that's kind of what I'm planning on doing. So that is my haul. All kinds of really, really cute Crafter Square blanks. Tons of stuff to make some fun signs with. If you've got stickers, if you've got stencils, anything like that, you can definitely have a great time with some of the Crafter Square stuff. And I've heard from a couple people in the different stores that there are so many more Crafter Square things coming up. You can also get a teaser if you go online to the DollarTree.com website and take a look. And I hope that your store comes up with these. Thank you guys for watching this. If you are one of my long-term subscribers, thank you so much for being here. I call you guys my OGs. I appreciate you being here. That just means you're part of the original gang. And if you're brand new to the channel, hopefully you will stick around and subscribe and like and comment and all that other jazz. I don't typically wear a camouflage baseball cap and a dirty polo shirt, but I've been outside painting and working on my next DIY video for you guys. So more to come soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.